Right.
21.
Whoops.
Mission failed.
It was at this moment that he knew.
And
I'm admin.
oh my God.
That's sus. Oh, yeah. Look, rat can eat cat. Hey, bro.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Yo, who is this? Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Hamburger. Sure. Yes. Now you live here. I don't know. Where's the exit?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
What the fuck was the BB for?
What is this?
Help me! Help me!
I love rats, but this is too much.
I got you, fam. No, don't do it. Bonk.
Jerry, he grew up.
I think I'm about to steal. Why you bullying me?
Ah!
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on.
Bro.
The next day.
Oh my lord. What the? Are you admin? Are you admin? No, I am not.
10 seconds later.
Okay, I am.
Why you always lying?
A cat eated me. We will eat the cat.
Oh my God! I believe I can fly! What the dog doing?
Want to see something epic?
What kind of voice is this?
What?
Hey yo!
Funny.
This is big brain time.
Money, 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 money.
Look, OMG.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
This button do?
Money gone.
This server is scared lol.
I am an admin. Stop bully her. Do you have this?
And what's my internet? Bye bye.